Well, I have a wicker basket. It's an old laundry hamper. I really didn't know how in the world I was going to fix it because I've never tackled that. So what I had my son and we did a couple pieces of wire, like anodized steel, to shore up the spots like in the middle and stuff. And I went with some little bit of twine with some glue. But then with this ribbon that I'm going to be working on getting it up in discreetly to hold onto it, I'll show you a trick I did with candle wax that I feel is going to be it looked a lot more secure than the glue did. So if anybody's trying to fix wicker and you make it so it's out of sight, it seems like a pretty good fix. Let me give you a quick example of what I'm talking about. I hope you guys can see. Let's see. Okay. What I'm going to do, I just have these little tea lights, but I want to make sure that the bottom was trying to come up, like, this camera right here was trying to bow in. So between the wire and then this, the candle right there, it holds it up better than the glue, wood glue did. And I'm going to put a box in the bottom. It seems like a quick fix for wicker. You just got to be careful because it gets a little warm on your hands. You got to make sure you don't burn up your wicker while you're trying to melt the candle wax. Like that. So you want to just stay on the side. Patience. Stay patient. But yeah, it's definitely, I think, a very secure feeling to it. And it just kind of, I think, put it this way, God gave me a premonition. Oh, hey, idea, light bulb. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it. When I'm done, I'm going to be pushing all the orange ribbon so it's out of sight, but it's holding that line between the outside and the bottom of the hamper. You probably should go a little bit along this middle line. Not burn the wicker. You gotta be very careful what you're doing. You burn your hands and the wicker. It's not pleasant. All right. Give it a minute. See how it looks. Okay. I had one of those little sewing tracing wheels that you use for patterns, and so I'm pushing this ribbon down while the glue is still kind of a little soft and pliable. And it's giving it the outside wall here something to hold on to. So it's actually a secure fit. I put clothes in it. It's not just going to explode apart. But every day I kept finding more and more little pieces of straw broken. So I knew I had to figure out something. And it's like, how am I going to do this? Of course, I didn't think, why don't I get on YouTube and check out some videos? I should have probably done that. But it's really not a bad fix for the bottom, if you don't see. Okay, see the top here. Let me get everybody can see it. I'm still new at this, guys.